enjoying the remaining hours, few hours that we have here in Baler. Today is our last day, so there. So another swimming time with my kuya, with my niece, with my nephews there. And there you go. This beach is a lot better. This is more beautiful than the one that we had yesterday. Because this is kinda white sand. It's not really that white, but it's good enough. Kinda comparable as to what we had yesterday. Okay. And there, see, that is a great one. There are cottages. There you go. Wala nga lang surfing dito, unlike yesterday, but this one is a lot better. It's good than what we had yesterday. So there you go. Nakakapagod. 30 minutes na kami naglalakad. Wala pa rin kami sa pupuntahan namin. At nakikita ko na ang falls na maganda. There you go. Ayun ang falls. So, it's worth it naman. Maganda naman talaga siya pagdating dito sa falls. So kailangan lang pag-akyat, meron kang baong water, meron kang baong candy, para hindi manuyo yung lalamunan mo. And this is what it looks. This is what you are going to see kapag naabot mo na rito, narating mo na ang falls. And it's really amazing. There you go. Now, this is the last falls that you are going to see here. And it's so freaking amazing. Ang ganda-ganda niya sa personal. Maaring sa video, it doesn't look like that's beautiful. But sa personal, it really looks good. And it really looks amazing. See? Dito sa part na to, para siyang swimming pool. And until here, kahit ayun yung falls, abot sa iyo yung talsik ng tubig. It's really amazing. Hi! My God, nakakapagod, but it's really worth the wait. At saka it's worth ng pagod. Kasi after the pagod, ito ang makikita mo. This is so amazing falls. On that part, para siyang swimming pool. Doon, masarap na dito. There. Ayan, si ate, tour guide namin for today. There you go. It's really amazing. Kahit nakakapagod.